Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a student and trainee work visa for New Zealand. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, as the name suggests, this visa is for students and trainees who want to get practical work experience in their field. This can include but is not limited to religious trainee, dental, medical trainee, and apprentice jockeys. Length of stay we'll see. Age for jockey 16 and over. Wow. Cost is on this. Processing time is here. You can stay up to 6 months if you're a medical or dental trainee. Stay up to for 6 months if you're undertaking practical training. 36 months for religious, 4 years for jockey. Do practical work experience to complete a study or training requirement. Okay. Do practical dental or medical training. Okay, fine. Now, now let's click on apply online. Let's click on login. I will restrict to like how to do, and all the information I put is going to be sample. So when you apply, you need to go as per your case. Okay. So the very first thing is to log in. Okay. So if you don't have an account, Realme account, you need to create one first. If you don't know how to do, I have published another video about it, and the video is going to be in the link in the description. Okay. That you can follow. Right now, I'm going to log in and I'm going to see you guys. Okay guys, so I have logged in into my Realme account and we'll go for the work visa. Because it's student and trainee work visa is kind of work visa. Are you applying for one of the following type of work visa? Student and trainee, yes. Do you have master visa or union pay? Yes. Are you an association permanent? I select no. Uh, Name, so I'm putting sample information. You do as per your own case. Smith, what is gender, date of birth. I'm putting sample. Where you were born? India, state, city, passport, country of passport, expiry dates. Just sample guys. Provide national ID number. So it's not a mandatory field, so I'm skipping it, but if you have, definitely provide. India does not allow dual citizenship, so I will not put. What is your partnership status? I select single. Have you previously applied for visa for New Zealand? I select yes. Client number it has asked, definitely provide because anyway they're gonna find out. Means I'm making a sample case that somebody has studied in New Zealand and as part of their uh, study, means before completing their study, they need to do this practical training to get the degree. Okay, I'm not confusing it with post-study work visa. I'm just creating a hypothetical case, but you need to do as per your case. Provide your current residential address. Let's say you are in New Zealand itself. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Manually, I'm putting because, of course, I don't know any address in New Zealand. Phone number, email. Mhm. Either posted the same, yes. Provide your most recent overseas address. Okay, so I'll put his Indian address. State, the postal code. Of course, you know your address. Group application, I select no. Agree, continue. Oh, I have missed. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Type of work visa you're applying for. I select this one, or I can select this one also, medical or dental student work experience. Yeah, I'll select. What position have you been offered? So I'll just say trainee associate. A sample, guys. Occupation number 261311. Just sample, guys. What details of employer that offered you this position? I'm just putting sample, okay? Manual address, of course, because I don't know any address in New Zealand. Of course, I won't be filling up. I won't be submitting. How much pay you have been offered per hour? Hourly rate, I'll put $80. That requires New Zealand registration. I select no. How long you plan to stay in New Zealand in total? Including the time you have already spent. So I select this much. Okay. Mandatory question. Which one I miss? Employer address. Okay, okay. Hmm. Let me see if this time I can go through. Fine. So do you have a tuberculosis? I select no. Renal dialysis, no. Hospital care, residential care. Pregnant, not applicable. Is man. Have you visited or lived for more than 3 months within last 4? Visited or lived for more than 3 months within last 5 years? I select India. Oh, India, India. Yeah. Have you previously purchased? I select yes. Last 36 months, I select no. Yeah, yes, that's a sample. Still more than 6 consumers in the circulation, I select no. Have you, or also I can select yes also, fine. Country, territory, yeah, New Zealand. You product gender and medical, I select yes. Last 36 months, I select yes. Have you seen your health deteriorated? No. I will not ask for medical. Okay. Just select as per your case, I'm just putting sample. Okay, now character data criminality. I'm putting no for all, but go through each and every question very honestly and carefully and then answer honestly. Are you currently working? I select no. Now you need to provide your previous work experience anywhere you have worked. You can add more also, but because it's not mandatory field, so I'm skipping it, but you definitely provide, because if you hide, that could create a problem. Okay, definitely provide this information. This is a sample video, that's why I'm skipping it, but you definitely do. For your product qualifications you hold. Again, like okay, here I have something. One time here only. Mm, it's just sample, guys. Don't go by this. Any contact in New Zealand, definitely you have, but I'm putting no because it's not a mandatory. It means uh, this is just a sample video, so I'm putting no. But the sample case I have selected, definitely the answer is yes. But and if you select yes, you need to provide this information. But I'm just putting no because this is just sample video. But you definitely select as per your case and provide details. Completing on behalf of someone else, I select no. Immigration assistance, I select no. No. Okay, now document checklist has been created. Photograph, travel document, identification card, job offer, evidence, funds, police certificate, and if you want to upload more documents, you can do this and upload here. But once you are through all mandatory slots, you can click on continue to go to the next section where you can select where you can agree digitally sign and pay for the application. And from there, it's gonna be picked up. So that is how it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.